Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to your Amazon affiliate. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, there is no direct way to do it by or any other way to link your PayPal account to your Amazon affiliate because Amazon does not accept PayPal. So as you can see, you cannot use your PayPal account with Amazon, and those are the reason for it. And the alternative way or the way that you can work around it to add your PayPal to your Amazon is start using other services such as Payoneer. So as you can see, there is the possibility to connect your Payoneer account with PayPal and of course connect your Pioneer within your Amazon affiliate, and after that, start um, transferring funds from Amazon affiliate to Pioneer and there from Pioneer to PayPal. And by that, you will have just a middle party, which is Pioneer, to start like flowing the funds through Amazon and PayPal. And as you can see, lots of sellers do it, and you can see many people can only suggest the same option. So as you can see, the payments option on Amazon, you can get direct deposit to banks, etc. So the alternative that they just use is Pioneer, and as you can see, you can just like uh, add it to your within your Amazon affiliate, and after that connected as you can see, just login into your Amazon US affiliate dashboard and go to the settings, and after that change the payment method, and from there you will need to choose Pioneer, and basically Pioneer will have it to be linked to your PayPal, and after that you can start flowing the funds. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.